My name is Shivam Dhembre and I am from Raisoni Institute of Engineering and Technology, Pune. And in today's video, we will be discussing about our project, UpKeep, an information sharing website. My group consists of Sudarshan, Bhosale, Akshay, Rawade, and Sarvesh, Vaidya. So UpKeep is an information sharing platform for college students. This project aims to create a platform where students within a college can share information, engage in discussions, and connect with each other. Our project is focused on creating a Reddit clone website specifically tailored for college students. It serves as an information sharing platform where students can share their knowledge, seek guidance, and discuss various topics within their college community. So, as an introduction, we will learn about UpKeep. UpKeep is an information sharing website designed to assist college students in preparing for their placement drives. It provides a platform for students to share their feedback and experience of placement drive, enabling others to prepare accordingly. With the increasing competition in the job market, it is crucial for the students to be well prepared for their placement drives. Upkeep aims to create a community of students who can share their experience, knowledge, and feedback with each other. The website allows students to create accounts and join relevant communities based on their interests. So it is a platform specifically made for students in a college where students can join various communities based on their interests and can seek guidance from alumni and other students as well. So this platform will help the students to get curated information regarding the placement and other fields as well. The students can post information such as the openings from a company, their learnings from an internship, their learnings from the technologies they may have discovered. So basically through this platform we can spread awareness among the students. This platform will promote the importance of community building among the college students. So now we will discuss about the system architecture and the technologies used in our project. So the first technology we will be learning about is React. React is a JavaScript library used for building user interfaces. It allows for the creation of reusable UI components, making the development process more efficient. React is responsive for rendering the different views and components of the Reddit clone website, providing an interactive and responsive user interface. Now the next technology we will be learning about is Next.js. Next.js is a framework built on top of React that adds features like server-side rendering, routing, and building optimization. It helps with the creation of server-rendered React applications, ensuring fast and efficient page loads. It handles the routing and server-side rendering aspects of the Reddit clone website. Now moving forward, we will be learning about Firebase version 9 that is being used in our project. Firebase is a development platform that provides a range of services including authentication, real-time database, storage and hosting. Firebase version 9 is the latest version of Firebase that introduces modular and tree-shakeable packages. It is used in Upkeep for authentication, data storage using Firebase Firestore, and deployment to Firebase hosting. Now next is Chakra UI. Chakra UI is a component library that provides a set of accessible and customizable UI components for building user interfaces. It offers a consistent design system and simplifies the styling and theming of the components. Next is TypeScript. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that adds static typing to the language. It enhances the development process by catching errors during the development and providing better code organization and editor support. Now we have discussed about the technologies used in our project. Let's move on to the system architecture. Now let's learn about user interaction. A user interact with the front-end React components through their web browsers. They can perform actions such as creating an account, logging in, creating communities, creating posts, commenting on the post and voting on the post, etc. The front-end layer consists of the React components that handle user interaction and send requests to the backend APIs. The Next.js framework enables server-side rendering, routing, and other advanced features. The Chakra UI component that is provided by Chakra UI provides the visual styling and layout for the user interface. And now about the backend layer. Firebase version 9 provides backend services for user authentication, database, and storage. Firebase Authentication handles user authentication using Google Authentication. Firebase Firestore serves as a NoSQL document database for storing user data. Community information, posts, comments, and votes are stored here. Firebase Storage is used to store media files, such as images. Now let's learn about the request flow. When a user performs an action on the front end, such as creating a community or posting a comment, a request is sent to the backend API. The backend API receives the request and authenticates the user using Firebase authentication. The API interacts with the Firebase Firestore to retrieve or store the data, such as creating new community, adding a post, or updating user information. The API then interacts with the Firebase Firestore to retrieve or store data. So we have deployed the project on Bhosale, and this is the link through which we can visit the website. So once we visit the website, this is the interface that we get to see. Our focus on the user interface and design has resulted in visually appealing and intuitive interface. We have used Chakra UI that provides a comprehensive set of components and styling options, allowing for a consistent and delightful user experience. Now let's take a closer look at different modules within our project. So initially, without logging, this is the interface. Now let's have a look at authentication model. So the first model is authentication model. It enables the user to create an account and to log into the account if it already exists. Firebase authentication is used to securely handle user authentication. As we can see, we have two options over here. One is to log in and other is to sign up. So the user can sign up and log in into the website using Google accounts. So this ensures a seamless and secure authentication process. Now let's see how we can log in into the website. So here we have the option to log in using Google. So here we can see I have my Google account through which I can log in. So now I am logged in. So now that I am logged in, let's move to the next module, that is our community module. It allows the users to join existing communities or to create their own communities. Users can explore different communities, join the ones that they are interested in, and can actively participate in the discussions. So on this main page, we have a prominent feature that displays the list of top communities. These communities are ordered based on the number of members they have, showcasing most popular and active communities within the college. So user can click on any of these listed communities to explore them further and join if they find them interesting. So this is our community. So if a user is interested in a community, he or she can simply click on join and be a part of that community. This feature enables user to discover and engage with communities that have already gained traction and have significant user base. So by highlighting top communities based on member count, we aim to foster community growth and encourage user participation. The visibility can attract more users to join and contribute to the communities, leading to active discussion and a thriving information sharing environment. Also notice, once a user have joined the community, the post from that specific community will show up on the top. As I recently joined this open house community, we can see all the posts from that specific communities are being showed up. Now once a user is logged in, he or she has two options. First is to create our own community and other is to join existing communities. As we have already seen how we can join existing communities, Let's see how we can create our own community. To create a community, we need to click on this tab. So in this tab, we can see the communities we have already joined. And here's the option to create a community. So we'll click on this. So by clicking on that option, we get this module. So this is where we can put our community name and click on create community. So let's create a community and click on create community. So we got redirected to the community that we recently created. Also notice that a user that has created the community is already joined to that particular community. And also it should be noted that a user who creates the community becomes a moderator of that particular community and has privileges such as changing the community image, create post, comment on others' posts, and deleting the post that the moderator or other users has created within this particular community. As an admin or moderator of this community, I can change the image of this community. And from here I can save the image. So as we can see, the images have been changed for this community name. Also now in this tab we can see the community that I have created is shown separately in this under this moderating tab. So this is the place where a user can see the communities that he or she have created. Also, with each community, a user can create posts to share information, ask questions, or express their opinions. Other users can engage with this post by commenting on them and leading to an interactive discussion. We can also check when a specific community was created. And now let's see how we can create a post. So to create a post, we will have to click on this input tab. And this is the interface that we get to create a post. So here we can insert our title, and this is the place where we can insert our content of that particular post, which is a text area. Also we have image and video tag where we can put our images for the post. Now let's create a demo post. So I will put a title over here and its body. Also let's insert an image. So here we can upload our image. So let's consider this image. Open. So back to post, and we can post our post using this option. So it's getting created. So once the post is created, we are redirected back to the main community page, and as we can see, this post has been created. It also displays the time at which the post was created and by whom it was created. So this is the title and this is the body for the post, and this is the image that we have selected for this particular post. We have options such as comment, delete, share. Also we have this upvote and downvote option. So we have implemented this upvoting and downvoting system similar to the Reddit where users can upvote or downvote posts. So this system helps us in determining the popularity and relevancy of the content. So user can simply upvote or downvote according to their interest, whether they are satisfied or unsatisfied with that particular post. Also through this I can put a comment on this post, and I can click on comment. So we can see my comment has been posted for this post. Now let's try logging in into this website through another account so we can see what privileges admin has. So I will be logging in through another account. So I have logged in through another account. Now let's search for the community that we have created with that another account. Now I'll click on view all to view all the communities that exist. Now this is the community. I will click on it. So I will be redirected to the main page of this community. And as we can see, I no longer have the options as an admin. So I will join this community. Let's create a post. Let's put an image. Back to post and post. So this is the post, and as a user that has created post, I have this option. And also as we can see, the number of members have been updated here. Now I will switch back to another account that I already had, and we will save. We have an option to delete this post as an admin of that particular community. So I'm back to the other account. Let's refresh this community, and we can see that the post I did with another account is here, and the delete option is here as well. So I can delete this particular post as I'm an admin of this community. Also, let's see if I have the privileges to delete the comment made by the other user. So let's switch back to other email and try to make a comment and see if I'm able to delete that comment using this admin privilege. Okay, so I'm back with the other account. Let's comment. So let's switch back to the other account. Refresh it. I can see one comment is made over here. So yes, I have this option to delete the comment. Now that was all about the admin privileges that we have if we create a community. Now we are back to the main page, and since I have joined these many communities, I can see multiple posts over here from each of those communities. We can check the communities I have joined over here. So these are the communities that I have created, and hence they are being shown under this moderating tab. Also these are the communities that I have joined. So they are being shown under this my communities tab, and this is the option to create the community. So we can navigate through multiple communities using this tab. So let's say I'm navigating to this particular community. So here we are redirected to the community. We can see there are multiple posts here which I have created as dummy content for this community. Also these are the dummy numbers that I have put in. I have changed the image of this community and also upvoted for these posts. So moving back to the home page. As I have already mentioned that these communities are ordered based on the number of members they have. So let's check. So this community has 115 members and hence it is placed at the top of that list. So this is Let's check the number of members this second community has. It has 145. The third must be having less number of members compared to this community. As we can see, the previous one had 145 and this one has 140 members, and so on. So that's how this list has been populated. Now let's see what happens if we log out. Now once we log out, we can see this content has changed. The order of the post is now changed in a way that the post with most votes is being placed at the top and the order goes on decreasing, as we can see. So these are all the functionalities that we are having as of now in our website, where we have implemented the ability for user to comment and vote on a post, store the comment and vote data in the Firestore database, associating each comment and vote with its respective post, and also enabling a user to create new posts within the communities. And now talking about the future enhancements. While our project has achieved its objective, there is always a room for improvement. Some potential future enhancements include integrity of advanced ML algorithms for personalized recommendations, implemented implementing more robust moderation features to prevent misuse, and expanding the platform to multimedia content. So in conclusion, I would like to say that our website serves as a valuable information sharing platform for college students. It facilitates knowledge exchange, fosters discussion, and promotes connections within the college community. We believe that this project has potential to greatly enhance the learning experience of the students.